For individuals with benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, choosing the right cooking oils can be an important part of managing their condition. The focus should be on oils that are high in unsaturated fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, and low in saturated fats. In this video, we will explain the 6 cooking oils that will help to shrink an enlarged prostate, and we will also explain the oils you should strictly avoid. Note that this video is for educational purposes only and does not aim to replace your dietitians. 1. Olive oil. Olive oil is considered a healing beneficial for those with benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, because it can help manage its symptoms and potentially slow its progression. This benefit is largely due to the type of fats and other compounds found in olive oil. Firstly, olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly a type called oleic acid. Unlike saturated fats found in animal products, monounsaturated fats are healthier for the heart and blood vessels. This is important because good cardiovascular health is linked to better overall prostate health. When your heart and blood vessels are working well, your body can better manage inflammation and other processes that might otherwise worsen BPH. Secondly, olive oil contains antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenols. These compounds help fight oxidative stress in the body, a process that can damage cells. Oxidative stress is thought to play a role in the development and progression of various conditions, including BPH. By reducing oxidative stress, the antioxidants in olive oil can help protect the prostate and other tissues from damage. This doesn't mean olive oil will heal BPH, but it can be a helpful part of a diet aimed at managing BPH symptoms and supporting overall prostate health. 2. Canola oil. The benefits of canola oil in the context of BPH are primarily due to its composition of fats and its nutritional profile. Firstly, canola oil is high in monounsaturated fats and also contains omega-3 fatty acids. Monounsaturated fats are known for their heart-healthy properties. They help in maintaining good cardiovascular health, which is indirectly important for an enlarged prostate. Omega-3 fatty acids, on the other hand, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can play a role in BPH, so consuming foods rich in omega-3s, like canola oil, might help in reducing inflammation in the prostate. Secondly, canola oil is low in saturated fats compared to many animal fats. Diets high in saturated fats have been linked to a higher risk of prostate issues, including BPH. By using canola oil, which is lower in these fats, you may help reduce this risk. Canola oil has a relatively high smoke point, making it a versatile choice for various cooking methods, from sautéing to baking, without producing harmful compounds that can occur when oils are heated to the point of smoking. 3. Avocado oil. Firstly, avocado oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which we have explained earlier how monounsaturated fats can heal BPH. Secondly, avocado oil contains antioxidants like vitamin E and certain plant sterols. Antioxidants are crucial in fighting oxidative stress in the body, a process that can damage cells. Oxidative stress is thought to play a role in the development and progression of various conditions, including BPH. By reducing oxidative stress, the antioxidants in avocado oil can help protect the prostate and other tissues from damage. Lastly, avocado oil has a high smoke point, making it suitable for various cooking methods. This is beneficial because cooking oils that smoke easily can produce harmful compounds that might be detrimental to health, including prostate health. 4. Flaxseed oil. The benefits of flaxseed oil are mainly due to its high content of omega-3 fatty acids and other beneficial compounds. Firstly, flaxseed oil is a rich source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3s are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a key factor in BPH, as it can contribute to prostate enlargement and worsen symptoms. Secondly, flaxseed oil contains lignans, which are compounds that can act like weak estrogens in the body. These lignans may help balance hormone levels, which is significant because hormonal imbalances, particularly of testosterone and estrogen, play a role in the development of BPH. By helping to regulate these hormones, flaxseed oil might contribute to managing BPH symptoms. 5. Ghee clarified butter. The saturated fats in ghee can potentially influence cholesterol levels and heart health, which indirectly affect overall health, including the prostate. Secondly, ghee is sometimes valued for its potential anti-inflammatory properties, which could theoretically benefit prostate health. Inflammation plays a role in BPH. 6. Fish oil. Fish oil is often discussed in the context of prostate health, including its potential benefits for benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. The key components of fish oil that are beneficial are omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil can also impact hormone levels in the body. Since BPH is influenced by hormonal changes, particularly the balance of hormones like testosterone and estrogen, omega-3s might help in maintaining a healthier hormonal balance. This could potentially slow the progression of BPH, although the exact mechanisms and effectiveness are still being studied. Now that we know all the oils that one can have to shrink and enlarge prostate, let's look at the oils strictly avoid or limit for BPH. Saturated fats. Palm oil and coconut oil. Saturated fats, commonly found in palm oil and coconut oil, have been linked to an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases, which often coexist with BPH. The mechanism behind this involves the elevation of cholesterol levels in the blood. High levels of saturated fats can lead to increased LDL, low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. Elevated LDL cholesterol can lead to the buildup of plaques in blood vessels, causing inflammation and reduced blood flow. This systemic inflammation can exacerbate the symptoms of BPH. Additionally, saturated fats can influence hormonal balances in the body, potentially worsening the condition of an enlarged prostate. Next, trans fats. Partially hydrogenated oils. Trans fats, found in partially hydrogenated oils, are notorious for their detrimental effects on heart health, and they may also negatively impact BPH. These fats are structurally different from natural fats, making them more harmful. They increase LDL cholesterol while simultaneously decreasing HDL, high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, known as good cholesterol. This imbalance can lead to inflammation, a key factor in the progression of BPH. Moreover, the inflammatory response triggered by trans fats can lead to hormonal changes that may exacerbate the symptoms of BPH, such as urinary problems and increased prostate size. Omega-6 fatty acids. Corn oil, sunflower oil, safflower oil, soybean oil. While omega-6 fatty acids are essential for health and must be obtained from the diet, an excessive intake, especially relative to omega-3 fatty acids, can promote inflammation. Common sources of omega-6 fatty acids include corn oil, sunflower oil, safflower oil, and soybean oil. A diet high in omega-6 and low in omega-3 can lead to an imbalance that favors inflammatory pathways in the body. This pro-inflammatory state can aggravate BPH by promoting the growth of prostate tissue and exacerbating urinary symptoms. Therefore, maintaining a balanced intake of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids is crucial for managing BPH symptoms. Refined vegetable oil. Refined vegetable oils undergo extensive processing, which can strip away beneficial nutrients and introduce harmful compounds. These oils are often treated with chemicals, subjected to high temperatures, and sometimes hydrogenated, leading to the formation of trans fats. The refining process can also introduce additives and residues that may have adverse health effects. The lack of beneficial nutrients and the presence of harmful compounds in refined oils can contribute to overall health deterioration, which is particularly concerning for individuals with BPH. The potential for increased inflammation and hormonal imbalances due to these oils can worsen the symptoms of BPH, making them less desirable choices for cooking. So that was it for today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for all the latest updates.